Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Myday or story feature on Messenger not working. If you don't see the story feature at the top of your Messenger, here's what you can do. The first thing is go on the bottom, click on people and record a new story. If it's on active, go on stories, click on add story and get a new story in. Maybe it's a text story, maybe it's an image story. You want to update it, and after that, for a lot of people, it got available. If that doesn't work, chances are that Messenger doesn't have the My Day feature for your country yet. So you want to make sure it's updated. You want to type in Messenger at the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you want to make sure it's updated. If you have an update option here, make sure you update it right now. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around this topic. I'll try to help you out. I try to reply to all comments. So see you in the next video.